Hey guys, so I just wanted to share this super awesome deal that I just did at Dollar General. I paid $3.63 for all of this stuff. My total before that was like almost $28, you guys. So I'm just going to show you guys how I budget in other ways by couponing. So this was, let me see, I think this was $3.50. Then I had a $1.50 off coupon. These were $1 each. And then I had a $2 off of one coupon for the Oral-B toothbrushes. And then these back here, Stem ants, roach spiders spray, I guess, because we have like a whole bunch of ants. We live right by a wooded area, so I really needed this. When I saw this, I was like, oh yes, I need this. So these were $7 each, but there was an $8.99 coupon off of two. And then this was $5.75, and I had a $1 off coupon for this. So again, my total came to $3.63. Let me show you all. So again, this is at Dollar General. You all see my receipt. $3.63. I really wasn't expecting it to be that low until she told me my total. I was like, oh, really? Okay. So yeah, this is another way I save money, you all, just by couponing.